Anyway, you don't need that phone. It's too big and bulky for you.
Why?
Because it is. You ain't going to get it in your pocket.
Yeah,
it's
it's been in my pocket today.
Yeah, but you're going to leave it somewhere. It's too heavy. It's not practical for you. You don't need the middle bit. You're never going to use the middle bit. Like, I would use the middle bit.
What, you would actually use it?
Yeah, because I...
No shit,
Yeah, because...
Why would you use the middle bit and I wouldn't?
Netflix,
well, what about if I wanted
Sky movie.
What about if I wanted a sat nav?
What?
Wouldn't I use it then?
Yeah, but you've managed that. You loved your fucking other one. It sounds so normal. So, and that's all you've used so far. Just that one screen.
Other phones are available, and it actually was the Sony Xperia 1.
Yeah, I know.
So,
but
yeah.
you was happy with that one screen.
I was fucking
You
happy
haven't
with
even opened this up.
Right, okay.
You're happy with that one screen.
Right, so
far,
I'm
anyway.
guessing from this.
So anyway,
I'm guessing.
2 minutes up.
I'm guessing from this, you want this phone. Was that a no?
I would. Well, you know, I wouldn't turn it down.